Shalum, man of Yasharal. Breathe deeply. Today, we open our hearts to the healing and forgiveness of Yahuwah. We release the wounds we carry and the debts we hold, making room for His complete restoration. Speak each affirmation clearly from a place of surrender and truth, daily for 21 days to fortify your Ruah and walk in genuine freedom. One, Yahuwah is close to the brokenhearted. I receive His healing touch now. Two, as I forgive those who have wronged me, I am set free from the prison of bitterness. Three, the wounds of my past are healed by Yahuwah's stripes. I am made whole in His sight. Four, I release the need to hold on to offense, for Yahuwah has forgiven me a far greater debt. Five, though my father or mother forsake me, Yahuwah Himself receives and adopts me. Six, I cast all my shame and guilt upon Yahuwah, for He has removed them as far as the east is from the west. Seven, my heart is no longer a stone of resentment, but is made flesh by Yahuwah's Ruah. Eight, I choose to walk in compassion, just as my Father in the Shamayim is compassionate and forgiving toward me. 9, the Ruah of rejection has no place in me, for Yahuwah has called me by name, and I am His. 10, today I step out of the shadow of my past and into the new beginning Yahuwah has prepared for me. Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and continue to walk the path of liberation. Overcome the enemy's accusations with forgiveness day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.